Hey, you want to interview me? Can I take the... Give it to me. What do you want to ask me?
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling okay, optimistic, excited, like a whole spectrum of emotions, actually, I'd say.
What's your plans? Like, what's the go? How are you going to stay energetic today?
Oh, that is a great question. Maybe some coffee.
Or some coffee?
Some lollies. I think that's about it.
That's good.
Yeah. What am I saying?
Feels.
It feels pretty good.
Mhm.
I'm a big fan
of your film.
Yeah.
How are you feeling today? Don't touch the mic. Don't grab the mic.
I feel pretty good.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Stop.
Whenever my head starts to hurt, before it goes from bad to feeling worse, I turn off my phone, I get down low and put my hands in the dirt. I try to stop the world from moving so fast, try to get a grip on where I'm at and simplify this dizzy life and put my feet in.
My name's Gabriel Osorio and I'm playing the character Overpopulation.
How do you feel?
Sorry everybody. Where's government's name?
Just standing in the shot.
I don't know.
There's a director. I think I was born to play this character. He's kind of a sleazebag, much like myself. And it's a very enjoyable experience. I love the energy in this room.
Enjoyable experience for who? You or everybody else?
Mainly me. I think everyone else had a quite funny reaction to my acting. But in reality, it's not acting, it's reacting. And I nailed it.
This is good stuff.
Good job. Good job.
Thank you.
Back to the earth. I'm going back to the earth. I'm going back to work. I'm going back to the earth.
Hi, could you please state your name and the role you played today?
My name's Max. I played government.
And how did your shoot go today?
Went really well. It was fun, and Darcy's a really good director, so it went smoothly.
Explanation for a high rise must be that everybody wants to get high and move on up to a deal.
My name's Alex Roberts and I'm playing Mother Nature. It's been so much fun. We've just had a lot of laughs, a lot of good times. My favourite scene would probably be the priest one, not the priest one, the religion one, but only because of the bloopers. No, yeah.
Real.
Yes,
Which
but
we
all
will
of them are
see.
so much fun. So much fun. I love everyone. Yes.
Back to work. I'm going back to the earth. I'm going back.
We can go home.
Israel.
You think it's a wrap? I think it's a wrap. You think it's a wrap? You think it's a wrap?
The motion at the bottom of the ocean. Now we're swinging from the tops of the trees. Oh, we are animals. We are wild. And to truly be forgiven, we must all get back to living with the land in harmony. I'm going back to the earth. I'm going back to the earth. I'm going back to work. I'm going back to the earth.
And then we want a close-up shot where not a close-up shot, what is medium shot? Medium close-up. We want a medium close-up of Mother Nature standing by the door just so that man can enter frame left and just have an over-the-shoulder shot and she can start talking to him. And then after that, we're going to cut to a shot that's a bit closer of her where it'll focus on her. When the conversation shifts so it's in her favor and she has a little bit more power, the camera will pan up. It'll show visually that she's finally taken power in that scene. Does this make sense to people?
Oh, no.
This is the shot list. It exists in my head.
Guys, we need to get this last shot done. What's the time?
5. Marley, you played Textiles and Men today.
Yes, I do.
How did you feel today filming?
Felt great. I felt easy. Everyone just made everything really easy. Like everyone knew their role. All I had to do was my part. Pretty simple.
Was it fun changing a bunch of times?
It actually was fun. It sounds a little silly, but it was fun changing clothes.
We asked you to stand in for Men today. Was that like going into that really quickly? Did you adjust?
Oh, I'd like to think I adjusted well to it. It was a little thrown off at the start, but it's fine. Just had to read some lines.
Yay! Yay!